Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and I live and work on a campsite in the UK. And today I'm going to deal with a very common problem. Our sink is blocked. It drains but very slowly. So now is a perfect moment to prevent further blockage, clear the pipes underneath. And this is a brilliant opportunity to share my experiences of clearing sinks in motorhomes and caravans. It's a very delicate area. You don't want to be harsh or you could ruin your plumbing and your pipework completely. So if you struggle with blocked sinks and clogged pipes in your caravans or motorhomes, keep watching and hopefully you will learn something new and useful. Give this video a like and let's sort this sink together. Caravans and motorhomes have very narrow pipes and drains made of plastic, so I've always used a strainer in the kitchen. We also have one in the bathroom just in case. So despite using this, my drain still got a bit clogged and water is not draining as it should. It does drain eventually, but it is very slow. By the way, check out this new kitchen tap. We've had it installed recently. Do you remember an old video about a broken tap, the new tap which didn't fit? This is all sorted now and I'm so glad we hired a professional to fit a new tap, because new tap also wasn't a proper match and he had to do a lot of work on pipes. And I'm so happy we didn't do it ourselves, because this would be a disaster. I think this is what contributed to this clogged pipe underneath. I didn't have a proper kitchen tap for a while, so sometimes I was washing using cold water and I didn't have proper pressure to flush the sink after washing, and now I have a sink which doesn't drain. So the most important thing here is do not be tempted to use bleach. Never ever pour bleach down your sinks in the caravan, because bleach will damage seals, it will damage the pipes, and home drain cleaners and products to unplug the drains designed for homes and the big sturdy and wide pipes we have at homes, these are not suitable for caravans. I used it once. I used the domestic drain cleaner in a caravan once, in our previous caravan, and the results were awful. I made this horrible mistake. I poured a domestic drain cleaner down the drain first. It didn't work, so I followed up with a plunger, and guess what? Once I pulled it out, everything just exploded around the kitchen, and wherever the stains of drain cleaner landed, I had stains I couldn't remove because all surfaces were damaged. That was in our old caravan, but you live and learn. So today I'm going to use baking soda and vinegar to clear the drain and hopefully fix the problem. The method is very simple. You pour maybe half a cup of baking soda down the drain and then follow it with vinegar, so twice as much as soda. Then you leave it to stand for about 20 minutes, flush it with hot water. That's it. No bleach, no drain cleaners. So let's try this method today and fingers crossed for good results. Look at the waste pipe underneath. It's quite narrow, it's made of plastic, it's very delicate, so we want to be gentle with it. If this method doesn't work, if soda doesn't work and vinegar doesn't work, we will have to probably unscrew the waste cap, use maybe more hot water, try to flush it with a hose, use water under pressure, but it looks like we are lucky today. Of course, prevention is better than dealing with a huge problem, so I would say use soda and vinegar at least once a week just to prevent clogging up, building up of dirt, oil, grease, or ideally, if you have access to facilities, if you are on site, on a campsite, don't clean your dirty, oily pots, frying pans or plates in a caravan. Just do the light washing here and take really greasy items to the wash up. use caravan site facilities. We are paying for access to those facilities, so why risk your pipework in your lovely caravan if you can use proper infrastructure on the campsite and not worry about blocked pipes. Campsite wash-up areas have domestic plumbing, have much wider and much more sturdy pipes. So let's just pour hot water now to flush it and see if it worked. Bits of dirt are flowing to the surface. Okay, more hot water. Not ideal and really smelly. I will boil more water. It still drains very slowly, so let's try again. A bit more of bicarb and vinegar. And please, if you have your own methods for cleaning and unblocking your pipes and sinks in caravans and motorhomes, please share your ideas in the comments. I bet that you know to avoid bleach. In our caravan we have a drawer under the sink, so you can see this is very tight. There isn't much space. The waste cap is very small. You can see new pipe work done by the plumber recently. Thank you very much. Wouldn't be able to do it ourselves. So I really hope we will avoid putting this apart, because that will be dirty, it will stink, it will make a lot of mess. So it's better to prevent and work from the top. Let's give it a bit more time, up to 15-20 minutes, and then flush with hot water again. Keep your fingers crossed. The final flush. Hot but not boiling, and bingo. Very good. This is our normal pace of draining. I'm so happy. We managed to avoid making a lot of mess using strong and harsh chemicals. The sink is working again. Yay! It's working, and I'm very happy that we managed to solve the issue with natural, cheap products, vinegar, soda, cheap things to buy, handy to have in your caravan. I'm looking forward to reading your stories about sinks and caravan maintenance. Have you had a similar problem before? Let me know in the comments how you managed, what product you used. I hope you are not silly like I used to be and you didn't ruin any plumbing with harsh chemicals. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do, because we publish new video every Wednesday afternoon and we do a live stream every Sunday. And if you are a subscriber, you will not miss out on any new content. Thank you very much. Take care and look after your sink and your drainage in your caravan and motorhome. Bye bye.